Hello there and welcome to the TAPSWAP Education of the Day Part 2. This is for July the 20th. Alright, so the education code for today for this second part is make 10x on crypto. That's the title of the video, make 10x on crypto. But before you get there, quickly check under the boost section. If you have already used up your TAP, your daily boosters, there are two video elements there. You can just tap on each of them and watch the ad for 15 seconds and get extra boost. All right, just tap on each and you get extra boost for each of those. So let's get down to the main task of the day, which is to watch the video, make 10x on crypto. So I've watched the video. You just play the video, about 9 minutes video. So and the keyword I saw from there, all right, the code that I saw from there is ONCHIAN on-chain, and that's it. So I trust that's the correct word. No, on-chain, that's what I saw. On-chain, except we're going to use block letter ONCHAIN, on-chain. Okay, correct. So it's capital O. Congratulations. So that's it. So capital O and capital that's on-chain. Start the O with a capital letter, and that's it. Congratulations, and you got it there. So go ahead and like and share this video. If this is your first time of talking about, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you sincerely. I didn't say that. And then for all return subscribers, merci beaucoup. Nagode, obrigado, gracias. All right. Go ahead and like and share this video. Okay, and subscribe if you're here to subscribe. Smash the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop this important video for you. Share the video with your friends, with your brothers, with your sisters. Let's all get involved in Web3 projects. Okay, I appreciate you sincerely. If you're here to join TAPSWAP, please check in the description. In the description, you'll get a link to get started ASAP. Thank you, and God bless you. Remember to also join our Telegram channel, link in the description. How can I say thank you enough? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. God bless you.